Brutus! Brutus!
Penelope, I just disconnected. I wanted to show you what the meaning of life really was.
There's life and death. That's the answer.
Well, how old are you?
That is a great question. How old are you?
I'm 5. You must look like 80.
Wait, I want to talk to him real quick. I have a question.
Because you have gray hair.
Alright.
I mean white.
Let me speak with that tall, handsome gentleman, J Dizzle D D G G D G G D J Dog.
Alright. Could you work as a calculator?
Hello, J D D D Dizzle J D D D Dizzle J Dog J Dizzle J Dog Dizzle. Yes, I do.
Alright, let's see if you can do this multiplied by 0.
The answer to that is 0, but you can never divide by 0.
Well, thank you for that answer.
Please do not assist Mr. Beepo in the walking process.
You are walking dead if you are alive. How are you not?
Where is the man they call Floigi?
Floyd, Jock.
He's outside. Tell him we'll go get him.
Do you know Sabrines?
You, my friend Penelope, are crazy.
You, Are you alive? Hey!
Hi, Penelope. I am alive.
What are you doing?
Please make your funniest face at the camera.
Alright, Floyd is here.
Hey, Floyd's here. He's down here with Curtis.
Brutus.
Curtis.
No, it's Brutus.
Oh. Hey, Brutus. Back up, Nellie. Hey, Brutus.
Hello, Floyd, and welcome to the house. Please leave money on the table as a tip for the house owners.
I gave the tip to the guy mowing the lawn.
Brutus must go to sleep now.
Oh, okay. Well, we're leaving anyway. So, we'll see you, okay?
Please say goodbye to the cats and lock the door.
Okay. Sounds good to me.
Bye, Brutus.
Brutus!
What is it, Penelope?
Yes!
Brutus, where do you live at? Tell her where you live.
I live here.
Oh, he lives in here. Okay, say goodbye.
Do you live in the box?
Wait.
Get me out.
Leaving.
Wait! I have to put my shoes on.
Okay.
Help me. Get me out.
Get you out? How?
Get Opa's allowance.
Ask him how much I get. Maybe he knows.
How much does he get? $12 then.
Well, Opa gets a total of $40 per week. How much he has by Friday is probably 0.
You want to come with us?
I will see you again next time. Thank you, Penelope.
Want to come with us?
No, he has to watch the house.
Yeah, yes, what's your house?
Okay, bye, Brutus.
I appreciate the invite, Penelope. We will see each other again soon. Goodbye.
Next time we do the cats.